All right. You got us.
It'd be a crime not to check out this house.
Come join us as we show some of our favorite features here on Acacia Drive.
And right when you enter the property, you probably notice exactly what Nate and I did, which we talked about and love, is the 20-foot ceilings in the grand entrance with loads of natural light leading right to your winding staircase.
We're a little further into the house here in the dining room with one of our entrances to the backyard. And this home is about 4,000 square feet with a 5-bed, 4-bath floor plan. That's right, nothing halfway about this house, 4 full baths. Now of that, 2 of the bedrooms and 2 of those bathrooms are actually going to be downstairs. So if you need some flexibility for aging parents, or you just wanna have the kids who are finished playing outside take their showers downstairs, not get them dirty upstairs, you have that option.
As we walk outside, we have 2 double doors on each side of the house so you can really enjoy this backyard and this Arizona weather, leading right down to this waterway where early in the morning, you don't need a treadmill. Just hop on a paddle boat and maybe take a couple laps, maybe race the neighbors, who knows?
We end things in the kitchen where function is king. Now the house is equipped with gas, which means you have gas appliances to include your gas fireplace over in the living room or our gas range here. We've also got this fun and unique island here in the kitchen with some attached swivel chairs, meaning you can get in and out easily. So you can think about kids or grandkids, heck, adults. And you know what? Swiveling is fun for everyone.
Thanks for joining us on our tour of the beautiful 589 North Acacia Drive.
Huge thank you and shout out to Heidi and Kory of the Air Agency for letting us tour this amazing property, as well as the sellers. It's a super fun, open, spacious space. If you're looking for something like this, it checks all of your boxes. We'd be honored to be the agents to open the door for you.
Or if you're looking for something different, maybe you need that zip line, maybe an acre for your horses, or even a pool, you can contact us right here.
Give us a call at this number. We'd love to serve you. Have a phenomenal rest of your day. We will see you on the next tour.